Hello world. Today I want to talk about a multi-armed bandit, which can be a very simplified problem to explain reinforcement learning problem. Actually, to conquer the real world reinforcement problem, we need to consider many problem formulation, including the formulation and exploration and exploitation strategy. But maybe before we go on explanation about that, we need to have very simplified environment to sketch or approach reinforcement reinforcement learning problem very easily. So the multi-bandit problem is the best way to explain and pre uh, yes pre course to explain reinforcement learning. So multi-armed bandits. So first of all, multi-armed bandits have multi-arms. So if you go to casino, you can have many games gamblings. But first of all, you are very familiar with slot machine. So multi-arm means uh, many slot machines. So banding means the pull over legs. So if you wanna play slot machine, you need to put the coin into the slot machine, and then you need to pull over the bandit. So that's what the bandit is. And yes, so I will explain about how what is the best strategy to maximize my profit after all. So we need to define the slow motion problem. First of all, when maybe we can take an action whenever we have money and we need to chance to play game with a slot machine, and we can have two ways to evaluate how good the action was. So how to how action how good action was is evaluate feedback, and in advance maybe once we can how good action will be in advance, it will be a instructive feedback. So there are two ways to evaluate action, and uh, maybe we can have two situations to consider which action is better. Um, there are two ways. First one, non-associative feedback and evaluate no, non-associative environment, and the other one is associative environment. I will explain this one later. So we have k different options or actions. So that means we have k different bandits we can pull over. So first of all, we will have a vending machine, a slot machine that guarantees a stationary probability distribution. So every episode means a whole length of game we play. So maybe we can suppose that we have $1,000, and we can uh, play a slot machine. Maybe each chance costs maybe $100. So we can play so that we can play 10 times. So maybe each times that we can give insert coin as we can play the slow motion games. So once we have just one slow motion, we can call it as a one-armed bandit. But in other case, we can call it as a k-armed bandit problem. So uh, That's it.